I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
I've been watching you, and I must say, I'm impressed.
Wow. Even answer your own door, Senator. I'm impressed.
Surprised you made it. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed. Did you write that song?
Yeah. It's called I'm a Believer.
I'm very impressed.
Really? Give me a second chance, okay? Let me take the kids after school.
Suck in that gut.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed. You're clearly valued here. You handle yourself very professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Bruce.
Oh, hi, Susan.
Good work. I'm impressed.
What?
No, nothing. I'm impressed. I mean, look at you. Embracing change. I am proud of you.
It's impressive.
That's impressive.
That is impressive.
It's impressive.
Security is impressive.
You robbed banks. That's impressive.
Ooh, that's impressive.
Okay. It's impressive to see a man feeding off his emotions.
In 25 years, it's impressive.
Now, 97% conviction rate. That's impressive. Thank you, sir.